What's up, JOBBIE? It's your girl, JOBBIE. You don't want to know why? Because you're tuned into JA's World. So, today, I'm going to be doing a makeup / chit chat, get ready with me, freaking story time video all in one. So, if you want to see how I got this look and hear about how I almost went to jail, then keep watching. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick story time about the time that your girl had to go to Scare Straight. Okay, so I was about 16 at the time, and I used to be a klepto. First of all, just don't judge, because I just want to put that out there. Did not judge me, because it's been a time you know what, I'm not even gonna say where because it's so embarrassing. So I'm using the Too Faced Lust palette, and I just put the color pen down, and now I'm going to blend it out with the color DM Me. This particular night, it was me and one of my friends, which me and her aren't friends anymore. I don't talk to her. I haven't talked to her in years. So, but I'm still not going to say her name. Like, I'm just going to call her Jess. So, me and Jess went to this store, and it was around the holiday seasons. I do remember that, because I remember I was getting everybody something for Christmas, basically, in my family. We in there, and we like got these big bags, y'all. We used to take like these, they're like crossbody bags, but they were like big, like backpack bags. That basically, on the way out the store, because I'm trying to make this, is like, the story is long, I'm trying to make it as short as possible. And I'm going to take the NYX glitter primer and put a little bit on my finger and just dab it on the center of my lid. So basically, we was in there just getting everything that we could. So on the way out, now mind you, I don't know if y'all have secret shoppers around where y'all live, but we have secret shoppers around. I just farted. Really, nigga? But yeah, we have secret shoppers around where I live, especially around the holiday time. I was kind of reckless at that age. Like, if you wasn't my mama, you wasn't stopping me. So I thought. So when we get to the door goes off. Like alarms. Just goes off. She look at me, I look at her.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We hesitate, we about to run, but we both just stop somehow. So these three big men come out in front of us.
This is so-and-so security.
And two people behind us. And so we like, ugh. We are caught. I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place Warriors palette, and I'm going to take this color right here and put that in the brow bone and in the inner corner. So they take us in this little room, and they like, we've been watching you the entire time. We know that y'all got, like, basically we know y'all got hella stuff in y'all bags, like, so empty the bags. And we've already caught the police. Police on their way. I still was not shook at all, even when they said the police was on the way. So they're like, call your parents. I was hoping my mom would answer the phone. I was really hoping my mom would answer the phone, because she is much more lenient than my father was. My father was very, very, very strict. Like, oh my gosh. That's who I was scared of. I wasn't scared of no police. She stayed with her grandmother at the time. She was 17. and I was 16. So they was basically saying that Jess could be in more trouble than me because she's older. What was I saying? Oh, so she can get tried as an adult. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Pro Filter Powder in the color Banana, and I already highlighted and contoured. I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I took the color Beautiful Bronze to contour with. When the police get there, our parents are still not here yet, so me and her are still kind of like trying to play it cool, like whatever, we really don't care, no big deal. So I had alone over $250 worth of stuff in my bag I thought I was about to just walk out the store with. So Jess had less than I did. They are like, okay, it's time to take you guys like mugshot picture. So I'm like, I'm not about to look busted in a picture. Still, you guys, not taking it serious. I was young and dumb. But you live and you learn. So I'm like, I'm not about to look dumb in no picture. I am about to look cute. Like, let me get my pose together and everything. So I'm like, so Jess does the same thing. We start laughing. First of all, my camera died, so sorry. I went and did my lashes and all of that. Didn't even know it had died, but whatever. So my dad walks in. So now I'm like, oh, talk about heart drop down to my, okay? I'm like, now this is when it sits in. Now I feel like it's got real, okay? So now my dad is there, and he looks at me, and he like,
what were you thinking?
And I'm like, thinking in my head, I'm
thinking that I was going to get away with this because I always get away with it, but I wasn't going to tell him that.
So I'm just like, I don't know what I was thinking. He was like, I know what you was thinking. Thought you was finna walk out the store with all of this stuff. And I'm like, yeah, pretty much I did. I'm like, I am about to be in the worst trouble ever when I get home, like ever. So they make my dad pay for it that I took, but didn't give it to me. Now, comment down below if you think that's fair or not.
Really, nigga?
Okay, I know I'm wrong, yes, but if he was gonna pay for it, why couldn't I just have it? Now y'all call my dad, he paid for it, so I get to keep the stuff. It was for Christmas. Come on now, where's the Christmas spirit, right? Like, what's wrong with them? We leave, we get home. Basically, they told my dad that he had to pay for everything that I took, and I had to do this Scared Straight program. So I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color, I cannot talk.
Can I talk?
In the color Sepia. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. The day of the program, we went to the jail. So we had to go to the jailhouse. Mind you, I went to court and I was told that I had to do so many hours of community service, and I had to do the Beyond Scared Straight program. My friend Jess didn't have to do this. She did have community service, and she had to take like some class. I didn't have to take that class. So and this is Morphe lip gloss in the color Chill. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe blush palette, and I'm going to go in with this color here. This color is Provocative. So when we get to the jail, y'all, they have us all lined up. Now, they talking to us so disrespectful, like yelling at us all in our face, like pushing us, making us stand in single file line, like don't look at them,
Look away, look down,
look like just the worst experience I ever had. And they have me put on this disgusting jail shirt when I say it's like
him to do, you want,
like they got it out the trash can. So I was like, I don't want to put this on. And the officer was like, oh yeah, you the troublemaker, I see. And I'm like, no, I'm not a troublemaker. I just don't want to put that on. Like, it looked like it was going to make me have an allergic reaction immediately. Put it on. I'll put it on. Whatever. Okay, fine.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. No, I got it. All right, I got it.
So they tricked us basically, like they were going to make us go back there with the prisoners. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared as hell. I was terrified at this point. So I'm like, they cannot make me go back here. I don't know what these people are going to do to me. I want to get out of here. I want to go home. I don't never want to come to this place again. I ain't gonna never steal nothing no more. Take nothing. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm going to go in with this same color here that I use on the brow bone, and I'm going to highlight down the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones, you know, taking us back there where all the women are. Now these women are acting like straight animals. Like, this is the county jail, not the prison. Like, I was like, I gotta get out of here. I am in here with a bunch of animals. I got to go. It's dirty in here. My allergies all messed up. Eyes swelling up, nose running, just don't want to touch nothing. Oh my goodness. So then they try to give us food. I am like, I am not eating that. It was the worst bologna and cheese sandwich I've ever had. I don't know where or how they made the bologna, but oh my god. And the cheese, was it cheese? I don't know. It broke when it broke like a piece. Like, yeah, jail is not for me. After we had lunch, they took us in a room where it was a few of the well-behaved prisoners. Well, not prisoners, but jailbirds, or people tell us like jail is not the place to be, you know, give us words of encouragement, give us advice to not do the things that they did to end up in there, which you ain't even have to tell me, because when I was leaving out of there,
baby, it was no way they was gonna stick me again. Absolutely not.
the tour is now over, and y'all, by the end of that, let me tell you something. I left out that mug, and I vowed to never in my life think I'm gonna go in a store and take anything without buying it. Never. Never.
Never.
But that was that time. I was on Scared Straight, in jail, whatever you want to call it. I got out of doing my makeup videos. Like, I've been slipping, so I want to get back into doing makeup videos. I've been trying to make my page, I don't know, my page has kind of been everywhere, but I'm glad you guys are sticking with me. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.